Santo Domingo, the capital of Dominican Republic, is the Caribbean's most sophisticated and vibrant metropolis. La Capital, as it is popularly known, represents the pulse of Dominican culture, where the old and modern mix perfectly, from centuries-old architecture and history to big retail malls, art galleries, an explosive nightlife, and a thriving food scene. All tourists should see the Colonial City, which was the first European colony in the Americas and was named the UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1990. This ancient area is a pedestrian-friendly network of small streets lined with the architectural marvels from the 16th to the early 20th century. They lead to museums, stores, hotels, restaurants, and sidewalk cafes that have been converted from colonial structures. Take a 45-minute tour of the region on the Choo-Choo Colonial train. Hire a guide to lead you down the first paved road in the Americas while telling you stories, or rent a bike and go exploring on your own. Picnic on the grounds of the Caribbean's biggest botanical garden, the National Botanical Garden, or take a sunset stroll down the Malecon for sea panoramas, roadside snacks, and people watching. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The architectural monuments of Santo Domingo's historic core have been untouched by time and the dramatic events of the 20th century. UNESCO designated 300 of its structures as World Heritage Sites in 1990. Many of the city's landmarks and institutions are linked to Christopher Columbus and his younger brother Bartolomeo's adventures in some way. But even without that, Santo Domingo has a lot to see in the city and the surrounding area. There are numerous beautiful spots to wander and relax in the area. From November through April, Santo Domingo is at its busiest. During these months, the air temperature averages around 27 degrees Celsius during the day and 23 degrees Celsius at night. City Day, which is celebrated on August 4, is one of Santo Domingo's most prominent and colorful celebrations. During Dictator Trujillo's reign, the celebrations were limited to a procession down the main street. However, since the turn of the century, this event has evolved into a packed festival in which both locals and visitors happily participate. The El Malecon Promenade is the biggest and most populated spot on this day, with artists and folklore groups performing all over. However, the holiday's biggest event, the Tropicana Harlem show, starts after sunset in the evening. You'll be treated to lively folk music dances, capoeira performances, and a spectacular fireworks show to round off the evening's festivities.